Essential oils are amazing, right? More and more people are realizing the power of essential oils and are using them to make their homes more natural. But there's a lot of questions on how do I use essential oils safely, especially with young kids. I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and not only do we believe in selling essential oils at honest prices, we believe in teaching you how to use them. Your oils should not be gathering dust on a shelf. They should be used. So in this video series, I'm going to teach you how to use essential oils with kids with confidence and clarity, and introduce you to our Kids Roll-On Kit, a super simple and fun way to use essential oils with your kids. If you're totally new to essential oils, I recommend that you check out our free resource, our Essential Oils Safety Cheat Sheet. You can get it for free. It comes with 3 videos, plus a lot of great information to use essential oils safely. In this video, I'll talk about how essential oils impact kids, plus I'll share 4 essential oils that have great benefits for kids. In my second video, I'll go in depth on how to use essential oils safely, plus give you 6 recipes to use with them. In my third video, I'll share fun and practical ways to use essential oils with your kids in their daily lives. So let's start by talking about how essential oils impact kids. Essential oils are super concentrated and they can have a big effect on the environment that they are used in. And kids are super sensitive to their environment, so it's important that we use essential oils with care. There's 2 main ways to use essential oils with kids. One is through diffusing. You put your essential oil in a diffuser and allow the essential oil to evaporate into the air, creating an aroma. Or we can dilute the essential oils and use them topically. We don't recommend ingesting essential oils. You can learn more on our blog post, Is It Safe to Ingest Essential Oils, at simplyearth.com. First, let's talk about smelling the oil. Kids are super sensitive to their environments, and you can use essential oils to create specific atmospheres for them. Some oils are energizing, some oils are calming, and you can use essential oils to create that atmosphere that's ideal for your child. This is how it works. When you smell an essential oil, or your child smells an essential oil, the aroma goes directly to their brain. And your brain does 2 things. First, it tries to identify this smell. Is this a good smell? Is it a bad smell? Should I run? And second, an emotional response occurs. This is why there's no universal smell that everyone likes. Based on your experience with an aroma, can determine whether or not your brain likes the smell. These emotional responses impact you and your child's mood. It can trigger feelings of calmness, feeling taken care of, or it can energize them and make them ready for the next thing. This emotional impact is called the psychological effect of the essential oil, and it's a great way to help support your child. However, kids are really sensitive to their environment, so certain precautions should be made while diffusing essential oils. On the back of our essential oil bottles, we have child-safe recommendations, so you can know if this oil is generally considered safe for your child. For example, cedarwood essential oil, which is in our Kids Roll-On Kit, is safe for kids 2 and up. There are other oils that have an age-safe recommendation of 10 and up or 12 and up, but I'll go into that more in our next video. When a child has a bad reaction to an essential oil that's being diffused, this can look like a headache or difficulty breathing. If this happens, turn off the diffuser and take your child away from the diffuser outside if possible until their breathing or symptoms subside. But in emergencies, always call 911. The second way to use essential oils with kids is topically. This means we dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil and then apply it to the skin. An example of a carrier oil is coconut oil or almond oil. And these oils are fatty substances that the essential oil will absorb into, and it safely dilutes it. Otherwise, the essential oil can be very irritating to the skin. Using essential oils topically is a great way to support your child's digestion, immunity, and muscular system. Some essential oils can even help soothe certain skin conditions. When using essential oils on the skin, the child not only gets the aromatic benefits of the oil, but it also gets the therapeutic properties that oil has. For example, an oil might be really good at killing bacteria, it might be really soothing to irritated skin, or it might even have a cooling effect. Kids generally have more sensitive skin than adults, so it's important that we dilute these oils safely. In your cheat sheet that goes with these videos, I've shared a dilution chart. You can get a printable version of just the chart at simplyearth.com/pages/dilution-chart. If an essential oil is not diluted in a safe way, it can cause skin irritation for the child. Usually this looks like red irritated skin. Sometimes there'll be some bumps. If that happens, wash the area with dish soap and apply aloe vera gel or a carrier oil to that area. Typically, this will subside between 1 and 24 hours. If problems persist, you can contact your child's doctor. Another thing to consider when using essential oils is that they should be used with a certain purpose in mind. It's best not to use them just for fun. Instead, you want to use them to help calm your child or support their wellness. Essential oils are really concentrated and they should be treated with respect. If oils are being used at a high dilution rate or used every day, this can cause sensitization of the oil for the child. This means when they smell the oil, they're more likely to have an allergic-like reaction, like the difficulty breathing, headache, or skin irritation that I mentioned before. If you're using essential oils with a specific purpose in mind, for example, only when you need to calm the child down or only when they need some support with respiration, those kind of sensitizations are unlikely to happen. Keeping those important safety considerations in mind, here are 4 of my favorite essential oils to use with kids that come in our Kids Roll-On Kit. These oils are kid safe for 2 and up, and when used appropriately, they can really support your child's wellness. Bumps and Boo Boos is probably my daughter's favorite blend. It has a really calming aroma and it's designed to help your body's natural healing system. So they love to use it in a roll-on and apply it to little bumps and boo-boos that they have to help them heal. Tangerine essential oil is energizing and uplifting. I love to use it when me or my kids need a boost of creativity. It also can help improve the appearance of skin and support digestion. In my next video, I'll be sharing 6 roll-on recipes to use with these essential oils. You can always just use them in a diffuser for their great aromatic benefits too. Cedarwood essential oil is one of my favorite ones to help my kids sleep. It creates a really calming atmosphere and it's great to put in the diffuser before bedtime. It's also really soothing to the skin. If my kids have a skin irritation, this is a really good oil to dilute and use on that. Spearmint essential oil is my go-to oil on long car trips. I love using it in my car diffuser because it's got that sharp minty scent that helps keep me awake while I'm driving and also can help soothe nausea as me and my kids are prone to car sickness. So those are some basic essential oil safety tips with kids. Essential oils are so much fun and great to use with kids to support their wellness. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you more safety tips plus 6 recipes you can use with your kids that I'll even be making with my 2- and 4-year-old daughters.